In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize container columns in card.co. If you've ever wanted to arrange content side by side, like text next to an image or a pricing table with multiple plans, columns are the simplest way to do it in Card, and you'll have it set up in just a few minutes. Start by opening your Card site and clicking Edit. This takes you into the builder where you can work directly on your page. You'll see your layout on the canvas and a sidebar for controls. Everything you change updates instantly so you can see exactly how your design is shaping up as you go. Next, click the Add Element button, the little plus icon, and choose Container. A container is a flexible wrapper that can hold other elements and help you organize your page. By default, it might come in as a single block, but we'll turn it into columns in the next step. With the container selected, look to the sidebar and change the type to columns. This tells Card that this container will split into multiple vertical sections. It's the key setting that transforms a simple container into a multi-column layout. Now choose how many columns you want. 2 columns are great for a classic text and image pairing, while 3 columns work well for features or pricing. You can pick the count that fits your content, and Card will create that number of slots inside the container. With your columns in place, drag elements into each column. You can move text, images, buttons, forms, whatever you've already added, or create new elements and drop them in. As you drag, watch for the placement highlights that show exactly where the element will land. If something doesn't look right, just drag it to a different column or reorder within the same column until the layout feels balanced. To fine-tune the look, adjust the column width percentage sliders to resize each column. These sliders control how much space each column takes relative to the others. Slide left or right, and you'll see the columns update immediately on the canvas. Aim for proportions that make your content easy to read and visually clear. For example, you might make a text-heavy column a bit wider than an image column. Keep in mind that Card uses percentages, so the total width distributes across the container, and the layout will adapt on smaller screens by stacking columns as needed. This makes your design responsive without extra work. And that's all it takes. You've added a container, turned it into columns, placed your content, and dialed in the widths for a clean, professional layout.